Join us on our train ride from Geneva to Gstaad. In this video, we'll show you and tell you about the journey on the GoldenPass train. Immersing ourselves in the atmosphere of Belle Époque era while traveling first class through the scenic Swiss Alps. It's a trip back to a time of luxury and grace, with breathtaking views along the way. The journey will take about 3 hours one way. And in this video, we'll also show you our way back. The GoldenPass Belle Époque train departs from Montreux and travels to Zweisimont. The route passes through stunning Swiss landscapes. From the shores of Lake Geneva through the Gruyere region, famous of its cheese, to bathed and hot and the renowned resort of Gstaad, ending in Zweisimont. This journey offers a chance to enjoy the diversity of Swiss nature, forests, lakes, mountains, and traditional villages. The train runs twice a day in both directions. I recommend booking a first-class ticket for the best experience on the Belle Époque train, as it provides a more comfortable and luxurious journey. Here we are in Gstaad, one of the most elegant resorts in Switzerland. Every corner here is filled with the atmosphere of luxury and privacy. And the majestic mountains provide the perfect backdrop for the relaxation and adventure. In Gstaad, you can enjoy not only winter sports, but also beautiful summer landscapes, as well as explore stylish shops and restaurants. Glass cabins, resembling bubbles, took us up to the mountains. A magnificent view. Majestic mountains stretching into the distance. Hot truffle fondue melts, filling the air with a rich aroma. In the glass, sparkling prosecco reflects the golden rays of the sun. A perfect moment where flavor, warmth, and the beauty of nature come together. And the trip back to Geneva was no less exciting. We took the GoldenPass Panoramic train. After the vintage charm of the Belle Époque, these were different impressions. Modern, sleek, and just as unforgettable. A train that turns travel into art. GoldenPass Express is more than just a route from Montreux to Interlaken. It's a window into a living masterpiece of Switzerland. Misty mountains, vineyards cascading towards Lake Geneva, wooden chalets, and fairytale-like meadows, all unfolding before your eyes like a film where you are the main character. Every detail is designed for the experience. Panoramic windows, plush seats, even soft light that makes the sunsets outside feel deeper and warmer. This is one of those journeys where the ride itself matters more than the destination.